Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease icon size on Samsung Galaxy A06. Long press on home screen, go in settings. Here you can see home screen grid and app screen grid. If you want to increase and decrease home screen icon, simply tap on home screen grid. From here you can decrease the icon size like this, and if you want to increase it, then you can simply select 4:5. As you can see, my icon sizes are increased. If you go back, here you can see app screen grid, tap on it. From here you can increase and decrease the app icon size. For example, if you do 5:5, as you can see icon size is decreasing. If you do 4:5, as you can see icon size is increased. This is how you can increase and decrease icon size on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.